Dear Akuvox partners and friends, greetings. I'm Edward, Product Manager of Intermonitor. Today, we are diving into the S560 Indo unit, a result of meticulous market research and customer feedback. This device stands out for its practical features, easy-of-use functionality, and cloud management capabilities. Designed with streamlined features, the S560 brings affordability without compromising on its essential features or quality. Returning core features like core functionality, door unlocking, and do not disturb mode, the S560 simplifies intercom usage. We strategically place the unlock button on the main unit, enhance user convenience during calls. Spear dial functionality further streamlines communication, allowing users to quickly reach the designated contacts, whether it's for assistance in a hotel or reaching out to the family members. And here's a standout feature: remote management via the cloud. The Akuvox Smart Plus platform allows seamless product maintenance and updates, ensuring that the S560 is always up to date. Check its online status anytime, anywhere, bringing unprecedented convenience to users. That's all for our new S560 in the unit. I truly believe that our users will love this lovely model and wish it great success in the market. If you have any questions or want more details, drop a comment or reach out via email. Stay connected and see you next time.